Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a whole house all day clean with me. The house was pretty messy and it really just needed to be straightened up and deep cleaned all at the same time. So I'm spending the entire day doing that. Also, you can probably tell by my voice, but I'm a little bit on the sick side, so I apologize for my voice sounding a little stuffy. Andrew has the kids and he is taking care of them while I get the house cleaned. I get asked a lot, what do I do with the kids when I need to get the house cleaned? I usually wait until Andrew's home to get the house straightened up, or if he's not available, then I will clean during naps or after I've put the kiddos down for bed. It's definitely exhausting to do it that way because I kind of want to rest myself, but sometimes with little kiddos, you gotta do what you gotta do, and that's what I have found best, is just to wait until they've gone down for a nap or after they've gone down for bed. The first thing that I'm doing is starting in the dining room at this little bay window, which tends to be a catch-all. I have quite a few catch-alls in my house if you haven't noticed from past cleaning videos, but this is one that still is left over from when we moved in. It has just a lot of knickknacks that needed to be put away. We are also expecting a dining room table here in the next few weeks, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys because it's so beautiful. So I love books, but I find it really hard to find time to actually sit down and read a book. So instead, I have turned to Audible and I now listen to my books on audio because I can continue doing whatever I need to do throughout the day, but still be listening to books as I do it. Audible has the largest selection of audiobooks on the planet, including Audible Originals. I am currently listening to my girl Rachel Hollis, and this book in particular is called Girl, Stop Apologizing. This book is all about how women are not living to their fullest potential, that they feel a tugging on their hearts for something more, but they're afraid of embarrassment or of falling short of perfection or just not being enough. So this book is all about how we need to stop living in fear of being judged for who we are. And I love that, and that resonates so much with me. And if you're a woman, I highly recommend you read this book as well. Audible members can choose 3 titles every month, 1 audiobook and 2 Audible originals. You can listen on any device at any time, enjoy audiobook exchanges, rollover credits, and an audiobook library that you'll keep forever, even if you cancel. So if you're a busy mom like me, or if you just don't have time to sit down and read a book, then I highly recommend you check out Audible. You can get started with a 30-day trial when you go to audible.com/simplyallie or text Simply Allie to 500-500. That's audible.com/SIMPLYALLIE or text SIMPLYALLIE to 500-500. Now I'm going through the kitchen and just wiping down the surfaces. Normally for the stove, I bust out the glass stovetop cleaner, but today I didn't really need to do that, so I'm just gonna wipe it down with multi-surface spray. And I'm also going through and wiping down all of this stainless steel using a stainless steel spray and a microfiber cloth. This window gets a beating pretty much every single day from Emerson. She loves to look out this window at the ducks on the pond, so I find myself wiping fingerprints and face smudges and food off of this window all the time. I don't know why I don't clean the trash can more often than I do, but today it was looking particularly rough. So I'm going through with a stainless steel cleaner and a multi-surface cleaner to try and get some of the grime off. Now that the kitchen is all tidied up and all the surfaces are wiped down, I'm moving on to the living room, and I like to start by putting all the blankets away and then fluffing the pillows. We keep this pink Minnie Mouse blanket over on this side of the couch because this is where Emerson sits, and so we just leave the blanket out to kind of protect the couch from a 2.5-year-old.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me.
I get comments all the time about the fact that I vacuum the couches with the same vacuum that I use on the floors, but I'll be honest, we don't wear shoes in our house, and so our floors are not really that dirty, and it doesn't bother me in the slightest. Next, I'm wiping down the fireplace, which is another area that is prone to getting Emerson fingerprints. Now that the living room is all tidied up, I'm moving on to our guest bathroom downstairs. And this is actually where I like to do my makeup because the kids are usually down here when I'm putting my makeup on, so I'm able to keep an eye on them while I get my hair and my makeup done. The first thing that I'm doing is removing all the decorations from the countertops and wiping down the decorations as I pull each one down. And now I'm going over the countertops with a multi-surface cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Moving on to the mirrors, I'm using a paper towel instead of a cloth because cloths tend to leave behind lint. Moving on to the toilets, if you guys are my old school followers, then you know I don't like to use reusable cloths on the toilets. I just like to wipe the toilet down really quickly and then throw the paper towel in the trash. And as far as the inside of the toilet, I like to use my Clorox toilet wand to clean the toilet bowl. In a perfect world, when I am on top of my game, I do a load of laundry a day, and that is a great system. But some weeks are hard, and some weeks it doesn't get done. And sometimes I have a massive pile of clean laundry sitting on my floor for several days. So that is what had happened this week. And I'm not going to get all of my laundry done today in this video, but I am going to at least sort it and get a load started. All of my laundry gets sorted into 5 piles. I have darks, whites, colors, and then I have towels, and then I have a load just for Oakley's clothes. So when I do the system of a load of laundry a day, it usually means 5 days a week where I do 1 load of laundry. And yes, I do throw the cap into the washing machine. I do this so that the washing machine washes the cap out for me and I don't have to deal with any sticky messes, and it is perfectly safe to do this. The last thing that I'm going to do in this cleaning video is clean the kids' bathroom. The first thing that I'm doing is cleaning out the kids' bathtub, and I do this by using a magic eraser to get up all of the soap scum. I also like to periodically wash Emerson's bath toys to keep the mold away. So what I'm doing is filling up the bathtub with hot water and then adding a little bit of multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to let them soak. While the bath toys are soaking, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the countertops. Next is the toilet, and I'll just wipe everything down again using a paper towel. And for the toilet bowl, I'm using that Clorox toilet wand. Now that the toys have soaked for a little while, I'm going in with a cloth and I'm just wiping them down. Another thing you could do is stick all your toys in the dishwasher. And now the bathroom is all clean and ready for the kids to take their baths tonight. After I had done all this stuff today, I realized that I had forgotten to mop the floors. So before I call it quits, I'm going to mop the floors really quick. And as you can see, it is dark outside because this truly was an all-day cleaning. So that is it for this cleaning video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got some cleaning motivation from it. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Also, follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. And don't forget to check out that book by Rachel Hollis called Girl Stop Apologizing. You guys are going to love it. And make sure you listen to it on Audible. Go to audible.com/simplyallie or text Simply Allie to 500 500. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.